Hello, my name is Aiden Briley, and this is my snake and my pet. Come here, Max! 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 Come here, Max!
It's okay, Bubba. Keep going.
This is my puppy Max over there. And I just like my favorite, and I just like reptiles. I like reptiles because they have scales. Maybe let's talk about the alligator. An alligator is a water predator. It can ambush prey like it can ambush zebras. Next, we're gonna learn about turtles. A turtle has a hard shell that can the shell protects the turtle from other predators. And
Hey, Aiden, can I ask you a question?
What?
Do you think that you would make a good junior ranger?
Yeah.
Why do you think you'd make a good junior ranger?
Because I like reptiles. But next is the lizard. Some lizards can fly, and some lizards can climb on trees like the gecko. And the last reptile we learned about is the snake. My pet Miro, my pet Greenie has no legs and because they weigh around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. They weigh around 19 feet long.
Wow. Aiden, do you want people?
Feet tall.
Do you want people to vote for you?
Yeah.
Okay, ask.
Vote for me. Hit subscribe to vote for me, and hit the like button for my video, and I'll join the wildlife, and I'll like the animals. Thank you. Bye.